Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 754 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out a product from my February 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag. This is the IBY Beauty Headliner Eyeshadow in the shade City Limits. So I got this in my regular Ipsy Glam Bag. So I will have that video of my unbagging linked in the description down below if you want to see it. I think I've tried out products from the brand IBY Beauty, but I'm not that familiar with them. But I've heard really good things and it's just so cute. This mini version. So it says that the full-size version retails for $20. And this is a good for your skin eyeshadow, which sounds pretty unique to me. It says it's highly pigmented, buttery, and blendable, infused with rose hip seed oil for skin protecting properties. So that's pretty neat. It's also cruelty-free, vegan, it's mineral oil, paraben, and talc free. And it's also supposed to be crease free. So I'm really interested to see if that's true because I have a lot of creases and lines in my eyes. But so I am going to test it out with and without an eyeshadow primer with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I'm going to just apply that to one of my eyes. And I am going to be doing a full eyeshadow look using just this one color, which is a little different than probably how I would normally do an eyeshadow look, but we're gonna see how this really performs in all the different ways of applying it. So to start out, let me go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, such a pretty color. It's like a shimmery, almost metallic brown. Oh, that seriously is so buttery. And so pigmented and shiny and really beautiful swatch. So if I were to only get one color, I'm pretty happy with this color. This is beautiful. But okay, so first I'm going to try applying it with a fluffy brush into the crease. So picking it up, I find that shimmery shades can look so different whether you're applying with a brush or with your finger. So I'm going to try and smoke it out, get more of a diffused look, nothing too intensely pigmented. And this is actually blending out so beautifully. Like this could totally work as a crease transition shade to add that dimension to my eye shape that I'm always talking about and always trying to get with my eyeshadow looks. Like you can see right there, that did a really good job of shading the crease and creating that depth. You can see the difference in my eyes already. But this is beautiful and really easily blends out and diffuses the color. And it has like some sparkle to it, but it's not overly shimmery. So I feel like it really is a perfect crease transition type shade, which I'm actually very surprised. I probably would not have thought to use this shade in this type of method, but since this is the only shade I got and I'm kind of having to use it this way, I'm so glad that I did because I'm very pleasantly surprised and I wouldn't have tried this out in a crease transition shade type of application if I'd just seen this in a palette. Like it wouldn't be what I reached for, but I'm really happy with it. I will definitely continue reaching for this shade as a crease transition shade. Seriously, like so easy to blend and so easy to apply. Wow, I'm really, really happy with this. Like who would have thought that just A brown eyeshadow in the crease would impress me so much. But even this right here, I feel like this could be an easy eye look, because sometimes I'm just doing a quick shade into the crease to just add a little extra effort and a little extra emphasis to my eyes, and this is perfect for that. But let's keep going. Next, I'm going to apply it with my finger to get that full pigmented foiled color. So I'm just going to apply it all over the eyelid now. Oh my gosh, such a difference. It seriously looks like a completely different eyeshadow when I apply it with my finger. Like, it's a different color, a different texture and finish than when I applied it with the brush. Like, this is so full pigmented. It's like a beautiful chocolate brown with a gorgeous foiled metallic finish. Like, I love this shade. It's very like a brown smoky eye, but then you have that shimmer, has a little bit more interest to it. I really like that. That actually like looks like a complete eye look, and I'm just using one shade, but it's glamorous. So easy to apply with my finger. There I was saying how I wouldn't do an eyeshadow look using just one color, but then this looks so good to me that I would definitely wear this like alone. It doesn't need other colors with it because it has such range. And last step, I'm going to pick up a smaller pencil brush and smoke this along the lower lash line, which I love this type of shade on the lower lash line because I love when there's some shimmer along the lower lash line. And this is like the perfect color because it's dark enough, it's brown, so it's kind of complementing to my eye color. Love this as an eyeliner. Wow, I feel like my makeup look just went from day to evening so quickly and easily by just using this one little eyeshadow. Like, it looks so beautiful no matter where you apply it. Crease, all over the lid, lower lash line. It's perfect for anything. Wow, and it's so pretty. I am so pleasantly surprised and blown away by this. Like, I love this eyeshadow look. Here is the finished look. It applies beautifully. Such a great formula. I'm checking to see if there's any difference with and without the primer, and there's really none. It's just as pigmented without the primer as it is with the primer, and no creasing. It really is crease proof. Wow, that's awesome. Well, now I know that I need to get all the different colors of this eyeshadow because it is so good. If you haven't tried an IBY Beauty eyeshadow yet, I definitely recommend it because clearly I am so impressed by it. I am so happy to have this in my collection. Like, this is such an easy shade to reach for all sorts of makeup looks. Like, I love this. I can't stop looking at it. But I feel like if I was buying a single eyeshadow on my own, this is not the shade that I would have been drawn to purchase on my own. But now that I have it, I love it and I think it's so perfect. So I think that's really fun when Ipsy kind of forces me to go out of my comfort zone and then I end up loving the results. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.